And Z will study today about everything. Oh, ito na. Sige na, sige na. What letter is this?
A.
What does the A stands for? Stands for apple. 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 Ikaw. Apple. Okay. Read. Apple. Apple. Sige na. How does the apple taste? Yum, 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 yum.
Mama.
Yum, yum, yum,
Mama,
yum, yum.
mama, mama.
Okay, let's proceed with letter B. B is for bird. 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 Go. Bird. How does the bird sound? The bird sound chirp, 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 chirp. Next, letter. What letter is this?
C.
The C stands for cat. So, cat, 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 cat. What is the sounds of the cat? It says meow, meow, meow. Next, we have the letter D. D is for dog. Dog. Say dog. How does the dog sound? Woof. 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 D is for dog. Dog. Next, we have E. E is for egg. How does the egg taste? It tastes yum, 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 yum.
Mama.
Yum, 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 yum.
Mama.
You say egg. Egg. E. Egg. Now, E. Egg. 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 Next. F. F is for frog. 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 Do it. Frog. Sige, you sit down. You sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Frog. Frog. How does the frog sound? Kuka, kuka, kuka.
Kuka, kuka, kuka.
The frog says
Kuka, kuka, kuka.
frog. Frog. Next, we have the letter. What letter is this?
C.
G. G is for goat. How does you say goat first? Goat. Goat. Next, goat. Z. Goat. How does the goat sound? Me. 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 Goat. Goat sounds me. Okay, that's good enough. Next we have the H. What letter is this? This one, letter H. H is for hippopotamus. 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 Next, we have the letter B. Let you sit down. Z, you sit down. We are studying, but you sit down. You have the letter I. I. You say it. I. ice? Is the ice cold? The ice is very cold. What will you feel if you will touch the ice? Ganyan ko go. Ice. 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 You say I-C-E. Ice. Z, listen to me. You're not listening. Next, we have J. J is for jar. You say it down properly. J, 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 J. Jar. You say it. Jar. You say it. Jar. Jar. Say na. Jar. Z. Jar. You know it. Jar. Z, you're not listening. Ziljan, are you in our lesson? Z, you're not listening. J is for jar. Next. K. K is for kite. Kite. You say kite. Next. L. L is for lamp. Lamp. Sige na. Sige na. Lamp. Lamp. Sige na. Lamp. Lamp. Next. M is for moon. Moon. To. Moon. Moon. Very good. Next. N is for nest. You say it. Nest. Wait, very good. Nest. Just do it again. Nest. 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 And next. Oh, what letter is this? O is for oval. 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 Next. P. P is for. Now you sit down properly. Pie. Pie. P. Pie. Pie. Very good. Okay. P. Next is Q. Q is for wall. Go. Wall. 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 Next. R. R is for rat. Go. Rat. Rat. Nako. Rat. Rat. How does the rat sound? Squeak. Squeak. Na. Rat. 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 Okay, next. S. Now, you listen to me. Oh, you're not listening. S. S. What letter is this? S. S. What letter is that? S. S is for sun. 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 Now, sun. 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 Now, next. Z. Listen ba? You're not listening. Oh, you're not focusing on our study ba? You're not very good today. Next. T. T. This one. What letter is this? T. What letter is this? This one. This one. What letter is this? T. T is for tree. 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 Okay, very good. Okay, next. U. U is for Umbrella. 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 You sit down. You sit down. You sit down. Oh, you're not doing the right thing today, ha? You're not very good today, ha? Sige, next. You. Next, this one. What letter is this? V. V stands for Z. V stands for V stands for van. 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 Okay, van. Next, W. W stands for wall. 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 Tina, wall. Don't do that. Wall. Sige na. Wall. 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 Sige na. Next. X. X is for Xerox. 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 Next. Letter Y. Y is for yak. 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 Next. Z. Z is for zipper. Zipper. Oh, very good. Zipper. 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 Sige na. Mag-study tayo ng mga Mag-study tayo ng mga ng mga small word lang. Halika. Yung mga small word lang, yung mabilis. This one siya. This one siya. Yung mga small, yung mga madali lang i-pronounce. This one, this one, This one, B is for ba. 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 Jadi ba.